Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save a route on Google Maps. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. If you save a favorite trip, it shows up at the bottom of the Save Trip screen. You can save a trip from a direction search or from the suggestions on the Save Trip screen. You can save only driving, transit and two-wheeler trips. To save a trip from a direction search, first on your mobile device and open the Google Maps app. Second, search for a destination and tap directions. Third, select a transportation mode. If you select transit, choose your preferred route. Fourth, at the bottom, tap Save. To save a trip from the Save Trip screen, for that you will need to first on your mobile device, then open the Google Maps app. Second, at the bottom, tap Save Trips. Third, to get a list of suggested trips, in the bottom bar swipe up. 4. Find the trip you want. On the right, tap Save. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.